Hey there, it's Kimberly with SafeStrap, and today we're showing you how the adjustable pallet guard system can save you on labor. Many stores stack items directly on the floor, which is not only hard work, but it requires additional time and labor. To move the display, the items must then be restacked onto a pallet. Why floor stack when restocking an empty pallet with pallet guard is so easy? Simply remove one side panel, remove the empty pallet, replace with a full pallet, and reinstall the one side panel. Great for fast-moving merchandise. If you have any further questions about pallet guard, simply contact myself or SafeStrap team member today.